Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to check Apple Wallet for Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently just added your tickets into Apple Wallet from Ticketmaster. How do you go ahead and make sure that they've actually been added in? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is click on our Apple Wallet, which is this upper left-hand icon here. And then from here, you're going to see multiple different cards that you already have connected to your Apple Wallet. So if you've already added tickets to your Apple Wallet from Ticketmaster, you should see a card that says Ticketmaster like shown right here. So once you click on Ticketmaster, you are now going to be able to pull up your tickets and give them to the individual at the gate so that they can scan your tickets. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your Apple Wallet for Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.